Well, I'm about to go and vote for Plaid Cymru in the European elections. The elections that weren't meant to happen, of course. The fact that they are happening shows what a shambles the past 3 years has been. The fact that the past 3 years has been such a shambles shows, I think, how misleading some of the claims made were 3 years ago. It would be easy, they said. And I think the NHS was meant to be rolling in cash by now. But I am voting Plaid Cymru with a huge amount of pride. Pride in knowing that whilst, of course, yes, we respect the way that people voted in the referendum, we know that Brexit would be bad for Wales. And I want people to think Wales. I was with some Gibraltarians over the past few days, and Gibraltar thought very clearly, what's best for Gibraltar with Brexit? And they were offered exactly the same Brexit as us, I remember, and they ended up voting 96% Remain. Now, it's clear to me that remaining would be in Wales's best interest, best for our country, for our communities, for our jobs. And, you know, I am a proud Welshman European in a pro-EU party, a party that believes that we should remain in the EU. So join me today in voting for Plaid Cymru to make sure that Wales's voice is heard in the midst of all this, because we've been ignored for far, far too long. We may even have been on the opposing sides of the referendum debate, but we can agree that it's been a shambles, and I think we can agree that Plaid Cymru's position has been pretty consistent. So I'm off to vote. Hope you do so too. Pob hwyl.